All the things that I know. J Hart still on top. Still number one. Alright, so what's the deal? Why is everything pumped up? Morning, Zach. Morning, Amy Young. Corey, good morning, good morning. What is the deal? Why is everything like extremely up? I know why things are. I know exactly why things are. Yeah, I know. Did you trade it at all yesterday, Zach? Did anybody trade the FOMC yesterday? Honestly, I wish I would have now. Next time I'll do it. Next time I'll do it, and I'll try to stream it then, I guess. But you guys are gonna have to tell me where to find the news because I have no idea where. Oh, probably I don't even need the news. I just trade the chart. Anyways, let's see. Good morning, Nikki. Miss J Hart. I missed all of that move yesterday after the Fed report. Yeah, yeah. Chicago. Good morning. Rome C. Good morning. Rome C. You probably traded yesterday, right? Did you trade FOMC? Green Trader. Good morning. Carlos Perez. Good morning, everyone. New here. Juan, appreciate you sharing. Awesome, everybody. Welcome Carlos Perez to the stream. First time trying to listen to JPal and trade the move. Failed, but didn't lose much. Much. Still a green day. There we go. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Honestly, though, I feel like it's kind of messing up today. You know, not saying it's just bad and stuff, but like Tesla's up so much, Spy's up so much. Like I guess everybody's always like, well, the move is decided yesterday, like kind of like the state of the economy or whatever. But the day after is, do we hold that pump from yesterday or do we sell it off today? So right now I have no idea. You know, Tesla to me tomorrow also has pretty big news. To me, Tesla's up so much without a pullback. You know, this thing went from 100 and what was it? 120. 120 to 180 with only one red day. To 190 pretty much. So I like at this point I'm like, do you just want a 200 bucks? Is that hard? Like another $10, is it that just hard? Or is this gonna pull back down? Another thing, guys, I think I might take it a little slow today. It hasn't happened since I sat down, but this morning I woke up like 7 because my power went out. Oh, it just flickered. Are you kidding me? Okay, guys, if my stream ends, I am sorry. You know, I'm warning you guys now. Hope you guys make money. Hope you guys kill it. Hope you guys have a green day. But I'm gonna do my best today. I might just take it small. I don't even like the setup on the daily for Tesla, anyways. I mean, maybe I do. Maybe this thing runs, or maybe it just dumps out of the gates. I have no idea. But whatever happens, I'm gonna try to get after it. Hopefully, it just doesn't happen when I am in a trade, If so, then hopefully I'm in small size so I can close it for my phone real quick. So, do you guys got bad weather? Yeah, it's freaking icy storm outside. I haven't left my house since like Tuesday or Monday night. Ooh, Tekken Money's up 500 bucks. Dang. There you go. Well, I mean, Tech Boy, call it, man. Call it. Everybody on YouTube, you guys hit the like button for me. Appreciate it. And we do have somebody new here. So, Carlos. Everybody welcome Carlos as well. But let me see. Yeah, I traded just one Tesla call that made 100%. Oh, actually, I did trade it from my phone. I wasn't at my computer, but I did trade from my phone. And I had bought a small Tesla call and a small SPY call. I think I tried the zero DTs, but I got a little nervous, and so I sold them early. But I think I made like 160 bucks on the Tesla one, and I think I made like 100 bucks on the SPY one, so it wasn't anything huge. And honestly, if I would have held them until today, it would have been crazy. Because I think the SPY one I had a 410 or something like that expiration, and I think I sold it through like 408. Like I bought it somewhere down here, and then I sold it through 408. I did it off my phone and missed this whole move to 413. Those would have absolutely printed. And then the Tesla one, I actually had close to 200. I knew it wasn't going to get to 200 yesterday, so I had like 190, 195 or something, and also sold through this move here like 178, not even 80 yet. So long term extremely green after yesterday because of Meta, right? Meta absolutely killed it. Morning, Crypto Wire or Jessica Kendall. Fish on, good morning. Morning if I missed anybody else's comment. Oh, I was gonna say the exact same thing, Rome C. I think we need a pullback overall, but I think SPY has got to hold at 410. If you look at the SPY on the daily, it has to hold 410. Look at the previous spikes at 410. 1, 2, almost 3, like exactly 410. If SPY does not hold 410, it's gonna be a little bit of trouble. Anybody on TikTok? See a couple of you guys on TikTok. No comments. Good morning, Blair. Good morning, Alec over on Tradecaster. Irish Trader. Good morning, Wild Boy. Good morning as well. I ran a couple options on SPY yesterday before the meeting and cleared 80%. There you go, man. Tomorrow's also pretty big news. Zach mentioned. So my camera's shaking. Thank you for that. I'm glad you care about my face and not my charts and trading. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Got it. Oh yeah, non-form, non-form. What is PMI? Ooh, damn, we got Zach and Alec gonna go hang out, talk about stocks together. Gonna go fishing. Today at 8:30 was jobless claims, gave the market another boost. I think my camera's fixed now. No, it's okay, thank you. Oh, tonight the biggest earnings. What is it? Amazon? Amazon earnings today. Rumor is also true about that. Who else has it? Apple? I don't think Tesla. I don't think Spy. I don't think Spy does. Nvidia, maybe. Okay, you see this? When it starts doing that, that's when I start noticing my internet be iffy. Okay, that was good. That was good. Well, it's fine right now still. So I think Apple, Amazon, maybe a couple others, but Apple, Amazon, big ones. So yeah, it depends on their earnings. And it's kind of hard because they're already up pretty good. Morning, Rosenda. I told you, Zach and Alec gonna go get together and get some fishing done. Joanne. Who called me Joanne? Google also replaced finishing your course today. 86% done. Awesome, Terrence. Let me know if you need anything else from it. Watching me from South Arabia. Hey, bro, from Australia. This is awesome. Let me look at the penny stocks. I know I put them out, but I didn't go over. I'm sorry. TENX spiked up to the 200 moving average, kind of retraced back. If it doesn't move anymore, that's probably the whole move on that one. Went from like $1.60 to $6, so it's up a lot and rejected the 200 moving average. If I want to try find a trade on this one, I gotta get it over 5, hold 5, and then we're looking for high a day. ELYS, I think this is the one Tech and Money made 500 bucks on. He might have gone this move here. So congratulations on that one, or maybe this move here. I'm not sure. This one actually is back for the second attempt on the daily. So you see, kind of pushes up to 200, kind of pulled down, held sideways for about a week, and then got a nice rally on yesterday. Kind of sold off a little bit towards the end, and then boom, squeezed this morning. So this one, simple VWAP maybe, just reclaim VWAP, maybe reclaim this level 122, kind of stuck underneath it, squeezes it, kind of rejects that same level, kind of goes to that level, bounces there, tries to go for the squeeze off that level, and then flushes through that level. So that kind of looks like an important level there, 122. So I'm going to keep that level on watch, see if it wants to reclaim that level. GNS, I have no idea why this stock is still up again for like the 17th time this week, this year, this month. But this thing, the more this thing hangs around low and the more this thing wants to squeeze back up, the more it makes me think this wants to squeeze even bigger. There's shorts piled in on this thing, left, right, up, down, diagonal. And with that being said, every time this, if you're holding short from, if this thing was here and you short it $7, you short it $6, you short it 5.75, you short it 5.50, you short it here 5.30s, and then you wake up and you're like, oh my gosh, this thing's at $8. I'm down $2 a share, $3 a share. I gotta sell. I gotta panic sell. Well, maybe this is what happened here. From 5 to 8.71. That's that. But I'm sure there's some that might be still trapped. RMTI, nothing there, and open, nothing here either. As far as the big stocks, like I said, SPY, I would have want to hold 410. There's also a daily, not a daily level, sorry, a 4-hour spike on SPY up to 412, 414, sorry, 414.1. So if you look at the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, you'll see a spike there that's not on the daily. It happened during pre-market, and that's 414. So kind of another level up there to kind of guide you guys. Hey, if we hold this level, we could still be bullish, and you could see it out almost flagged at it. That's the level there off the 1 hour, 4 hour, and kind of pulled back towards it a little bit, just off, 20 cents, and then back on up 50 cents. So I got that level there. And then for Tesla, like I said, Tesla, let me see, the daily on Tesla, the top resistance I can see on this thing, obviously 200, maybe a little bit less, 196, had a couple double, triple tops on the daily. There's absolutely nothing until then. I mean, I saw one on the 4 hour one at 189, which is pretty close, so I mean, I guess right now I'm between 189, kind of this pre-market pivot, and honestly, if this doesn't even hold there, I'm looking back to yesterday's highs just to close the gap, because that is going to be yesterday's high of day. So I think we could pull down to 183 at least. For Tesla to be bullish still, I think this one has to hold 180. So 180 was the first few spikes. 180 was the close kind of yesterday. So right here, 180. I think we got to hold 180 on Tesla for us to still be bullish on this one. At least for short term, But I do think Tesla should pull back. If I had to pick, I think Tesla's got to pull back 183 today, 184. Anyways, Easy Money, good morning. Fat G, good morning. Janus popping again. That's what I said. Exactly the same thing, Fat G. Shorts founded. Okay. My wife and I are going to learn Spanish. You're Hispanic, right? Where's your family like originally from? Mexico? Mexico. Oh, I was just reading your first message, and I saw the second one. GNS shareholders get a $10 gift certificate to buy NFTs. That's the news. All right, market's about to open. Market's about to open. Easy money in the house. Carvana. Zach is ready over here. LFC boy ready over here. Everybody on TikTok is ready. Like I said, I might trade pretty small today. I might lose internet. I might lose connection. I might lose power. So if that happens, guys, I am sorry. I probably will not reboot the stream again if I lose power either. So just letting you guys know, if I get out of nowhere, if I lose connection out of nowhere, then that's why. All right, so market is gonna open here. Let's see what Tesla wants to do. I'm thinking more short, bearish, off the open. I'm thinking more bearish towards the open. I would love a spike on Tesla. If you see the daily now on Tesla, you could see what I'm talking about. There's another gap fill again on this thing. Come on, if you keep spiking, I'm gonna be looking for the short on Tesla if it keeps spiking. Don't want to rush the first trade, but I am thinking this could go back down under this 186.91 pivot here. Penny stocks ELYS already moving, already trying to get that 122 pivot. I had an instinct test, so it was immediately going to be a short. SPY is, let me keep an eye on SPY a little better. So this Tesla's not selling as much as SPY, already pushing down. Nvidia, I don't know why I have it on my side chart, but Nvidia, oh, SPY is big pushing down. If I get a retest of this 186.90s on Tesla, I will go short. Looking for any pop now on Tesla. I want to see this back down to 183 almost. Taking a stab here at Tesla, see if I get this 186.90s to keep holding. Actually, SPY went right back up to highs. My risk is this 186.91 though. This is where I should have taken. Oh my gosh. Well. That's where I should have taken the ads though. I'm still here though. I want that 186.91 to hold. Give me back down, give me back down. SPY's trying to push back on down again. The only thing I can think of right now is power, please don't turn off. So SPY is still trying to push down. Nvidia went right back up to high still, but this 186.91 pivot to me looks decent-ish on Tesla. If we stay below this thing, I could see the push on down pretty good. I'm only in 400 shares. If this spikes, I might lose 500-600, but if this flushes nicely, I could get the move pretty low, which I'm still looking for. Now, if this wants to push and reclaim this level, I could see it right back at the high, so I might flip bias real quick and go long for a new high of day. But right now, I'm still here short on Tesla. I see at least flushed back on down. Tesla, this is weak. It cannot hold 186.91, so I'm looking for the leg down, hopefully. That was 3 attempts here to hold that level, so let's see if we can get the push on lower. There we go. Hit a new low, and then go off to back on down. Okay, buyers still want to be in this thing. I'm still short here, this 186.91 pivot. I don't know how this is still holding though. SPY is back down to almost low day 414. CVNA is halted, I think. Rosendo just mentioned real quick. GNS halted down, of course. GNS is trash garbage. I'm debating maybe just taking the small loss before it squeezes on me, but I'm still... Look how many attempts we've gone here to break this 186.91 and it just stays there. Here goes another try. Should have stopped out. Should have stopped out. This is going to be a miracle if this goes all the way back on down. I'm stopping out. Bad trade, bad trade. I saw SPY drop and I saw Nvidia not hitting a high, so I thought Tesla just... Oh, dang it. Maybe on the other hand. I'm going to see how this breaks though. If this breaks pretty weak, I still think Tesla's a short. Look at the daily. This thing needs to pull back a little bit, so I'm going to still be looking here. And if we lose this 186.9 back on down again, this thing could sell off pretty fast, and I'm trying to catch that move back on down. So it didn't break high there already. ELYS again back up. So I did take a loss of 700 on that first trade, but you know, Tesla did not break a high. SPY is pushing on down. If Tesla gets back under this level, I will play it now a little bit bigger size to push down and hit lows and maybe 183. So a lot of buyers are going to get caught up here trying to go for that high day break. This is kind of similar like yesterday where I took that dip trade because it wasn't breaking and it was looking weak. I'm kind of doing the same thing short side today. If it breaks, okay, then I take the loss, but see how these are weak breaks so far? I mean, it might go running, but $189.50 breaks, I'm out. Oh, come on, man. What is up with Tesla, man? This sucks, man. I don't understand how this thing can be so strong after being so halted so many times. I mean, not halted, being so strong. I'm down 1.3k on the day, but I'm gonna keep my cool and keep trading. At this point, I could see this thing just, yep, run. I don't know what's going on with Tesla, man. I do not expect this. I did not expect this, so. CVNA, let me take a look at CVNA. LYELYS, I mean, 1.4 looks like people are trying to short there. CVNA is one that's been running for days. Wow, I was just absolutely wrong on Tesla again. This thing might hit 200 today. If it stays like this, look at this thing. It's just absolutely squeezing people again. Those were the two biggest candles besides the first minute open, and this thing still kept pushing. I don't know if I'm changing bias, but I mean, if I get a retest of this 188, I might go back on long. Like, if this pulls back low volume here, I could get a trade up here, retest these highs, maybe. But ultimately, I think this one had to pull down today. Look at the daily on this thing, man. All it takes is one trade to get back this profit, though, so. And now watch, this thing is going to get so heavy out of nowhere, watch. This thing is going to get so heavy, and this thing is going to go right down through VWAP, back on down, watch. See, it already cannot catch a bounce. ELYS is still pushing. Tesla, I mean, I could see the bounce here. This is the last resort right here. But if this doesn't hold this level, then I think this is going to flush through VWAP back on down. Okay, so a few buyers stepped in there. that 188 retest of these two little pivots there, so I took the trade down there. This is reminding me of yesterday's trade though, where I thought the bounce was for sure coming, and then yep, this is getting heavy. It's literally doing the same thing it did. So I made it like $100 back, but ELYS, man, ELYS maybe could be a nice short, but honestly at this point I'm pretty distracted with Tesla and trying to find the big move here. Yeah, ELYS cheaps locates. Tesla to me now, you know, it's looking a little heavier. It could still run, but SPY is selling off, so I don't understand why Tesla's being like this. Kind of expensive on your end. I got, I think 3 cents per penny. I mean, 3 cents per share. It's going higher. Which one's going higher? Tesla? Everybody's saying you think it was a short stop. You know, I don't. First loss was here. That was a good trade. Look how many stuff it had at that level. So I wasn't confident there. And then the second time I got squeezed here. Nvidia is pushing still though. Expensive for me too. I got 3 pennies per share on Tesla. I mean on ELYS. I don't want to give all of yesterday's profits away though, but look at this 5-minute on Tesla. It's stuffed. I think I'm still a little bearish on Tesla. I think this 5-minute on Tesla is kind of stuffing. What did Rome beat you to? BZFD call out, okay. Yeah, I'm a little distracted with Tesla today, guys. So you guys keep calling out. You guys chat with each other. I mean, I'm still a little bearish on Tesla. I'm in it. Oh, but now SPY is absolutely ripping. I'm gonna close that trade, break even. Oh, as soon as it's SPY calm down. Wow. The 5-minute on Tesla is stuffing at this 189 level. You could see it there. The first 5-minute closed above it. Went all the way above it, closed below it. This one's doing the same thing. So I could see maybe a stuff here and then push down through VWAP. SPY is kind of bouncing though. Nate is calling that one out. The only thing is, I'm already down 1.2 on the day. Nvidia is pretty high. Thanks, taking money, taking just obviously a lot of mid caps having huge rips today. I just cannot believe Tesla. I mean, I haven't watched Tesla for so long. I just can't believe the daily is that strong. Damn, the emotional discipline you have is amazing. Losing 2K, I'd be crying. Oh, I'm down 1.1, not yet 2K. If I get down 2K, I might call it just immediately and say that is my max loss, which I can handle that. I think yesterday I made a grand, so I'm only giving back yesterday's profit. And you see I'm not scalping this to get that money back. I'm trying to get the next trade, which I thought this resistance there was going to hold, but it just did it. Shorting CVNA, try it, Juan. Oh, we missed. I missed the top, though. Here goes trying Tesla again. I'm not jumping in, but it tries to break out here. There we go. That's an aggressive sell-off. Let's see if we can follow this one down, all the way down to VWAP on Tesla here. Let's see if we can actually sell off on Tesla now. This candle's about to close here. Didn't get to add. Did not get to add, but also have not covered. Covering some there. I think this could go down pretty big. I think this could keep on dropping. I'm telling you. Might have been a little too early on it, but I think this can keep dropping. Now my level again, my risk level is this 188.85. I want to use that level to keep moving lower. This candle's got 10 seconds left to close. It's trying to hold VWAP, but that's okay. This is okay so far. This is okay so far. SPY absolutely dipped down too. If I get a nice push here, I could re-add to this play. I wanted to push up right now so I can add more. I'm still here looking for the next leg down. One down to 186.91. I'll take some there. Pops up again. Using this as a risk. Even maybe 189.47 up here. SPY's trying to catch a bounce. Are you kidding me? You can see the change of tape now. As soon as this pops up now, it goes red, red, red. There's no way, man. This is at 189.50. After here, I'm out. But damn, this might be the biggest loss I've taken in a while today. But gosh, I thought I had it. I was down to like 600 on the day. You guys have not seen me be completely wrong one day, huh? I think I lost my mind. Down. Come on, take out these low here. Take out this low here. No. I needed that low to keep going there. I know I'm pretty heavy in here, so if I get this thing to actually push down though, my P&L swing will swing pretty quick though. If I get this trade to push down out of this 188.85 here, back on down through VWAP, I can get this P&L to swing really quick. Right here, if I get this move through VWAP, back on down to these lows. How is SPY pushing down and this thing just refuses to do anything, man? Nvidia is also selling off a little bit. Literally everything's selling off but Tesla. It still hasn't made a big move. I mean, it had that nice pop there, but you know, this thing could still, after being up so much, this thing could still give a decent amount back here. Gosh, I've been in this trade for like 30 minutes. But you guys get to see me take some losses, real losses, manage them, not spiral out. Here goes another leg down. Aggressive sell off here. Get down through VWAP. I'm going to take some out just in case. I'm decreasing a lot. If this flushes now with the little shares that I have, I'm going to be pretty upset. And then I'm probably missing short opportunities. This is ridiculous. Dang it, man. Dang it. To me, it looks just like a flag here. Oh, there we go. Finally, man. Finally, you want to follow SPY and Nvidia. Finally, now that I'm out most of my shares. Watching this double bottom, I'll take some out here, but this thing could keep running. This thing could keep running, down 400 on the day right now if I close this, but 15 seconds left on this candle. Volume increased a little bit, not as much as I wanted it to on that sell-off there. I want to see you back to 186.90, and honestly, I think Tesla could drop to 183. That's my final target today to close the gap. Why are people buying it here? This is what I'm talking about, you know? If I start in the red 1.6, I make it back. If I start in the green 1.6, I can't add to it. SPY is absolutely derailing, so guys, if you shorted ELYS, if you shorted CVNA, if you shorted TENX, if you shorted any of these stocks, oh my gosh, Vegeta, Vegeta, please tell me you're in Vegeta. I have not even looked at chat this whole time, man. I am sorry, guys. Look at this trade now, man. Catching this whole move down. I was in LO. Good day for me. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. I need to go back and read y'all's messages. I bet a lot of you guys were telling me, get out of the trade. Close it. It's going to rip. It's going to sell off. But I stuck it out, man. I stuck it out. It just wasn't going higher. It's to me, this does not look strong anymore on the daily. It's moved up so much, buys up so much. We need to pull back. You know, it's still strong, still bullish. I'm not saying we're in a bearish market or I'm nailing the top of the bearish market, but I definitely think we needed to pull back a little bit at least. So I did not think Tesla would run like crazy today. I mean, maybe if it just holds these lows again and just cannot make a new low, or maybe it catches that 183 and bounces, but and SPY is a huge bounce right now. I almost want to add a little bit there, but I'm gonna wait. Guys, let me see. Watching Lucy. So a couple of you guys watching Lucy, okay? What else are you guys watching? So I see TENX kind of dumped a little bit. ELYS didn't even get a high of day. Wow, I got an alert for Lucy out of nowhere. That must have been old. Up 300 that I've had a bad run the last few. Up 300 needed that. Needed. I've had a bad run the last few weeks. Okay. That's good, Beheta. That's good. That's good. The big bounces are to scare people out of options. Why, boy, are you short on a lot of stuff today? Are you shorting Nvidia? Do you think Nvidia could be a short today? You got to put on Nvidia, okay? Corey, dang Isaac, if we had paper handed in the low twos, scalped coin a bunch today. There you go. As long as you're green, man. I don't care if you scalp it, trade it, day trade it, swing it. Green is green. I just wanna go flex. I added a little bit more Tesla short here. See if I get the move back on down to a low day. Back on down to 186. See if I can get this low day to take out right here. Have 400 shares left. I'm looking for this thing to sell off here. Give me a low day. Come on, come on. Sell off to this pivot here. I could go down to 185. Come on, 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 come on. Watch me disappear just like a ghost. Dang it, I was literally green and I was wanted just a little bit more push down, man. Tesla is pushing my emotions today. Look at this huge move back up now. Watch this thing just squeeze to a new high day. Would not even be surprised if this tries to go for a new high day now. You cannot get to lows. Oh man, at least you crushed January listening to Post Malone. No, right now I'm listening to, what is this? Ghost Ryan Cannavaro. But I'm sure Post Malone did play through here. Oh, I killed it in January, and yesterday I had a good day. So just one red day last month, and then right now kind of still hanging out here. Tesla wants to squeeze again. Holy crap. All the shorts like me that were adding down there are stubborn and they kept their shares. I decided to close it and switch a little bit of a long bias here, but do you guys ever just hold the shift button down the whole time? That's your hotkey. And so you're literally holding the button down nonstop the whole trade? Because that's exactly what I do right here. Like my pinky is literally holding the shift button this whole time. I feel like my pinky's gonna have arthritis. My pinky's gonna have arthritis. My pinky's gonna freaking get a cramp today. I've never been in trades so long. My pinky's gonna get a cramp today. It's gonna start cramping. I'm not gonna be able to exit trades. No, seriously, like my pinky is straight up holding the shift button this whole time. Okay, I'm just gonna get out of that trade there. Sometimes I put some tape. I'm down $200 on the day, and that is way better than 1.6. Right here, though, what I'm seeing, though, is we broke trend line. You know, we tried going down. I got this move here. Should have gone down a little bit more. But we broke trend line. So if you look at the 5-minute, that's a nice engulfing green candle. So I was looking for the pullback here. Even if we retest VWAP down here, it could still be a nice trade. And then, you know, I'm going to switch my bias left and right all the time. So whatever I see the start is wanting to do is what I'm going to... I got out of this thing, dude. So here, you know, break a downtrend, simple trend line, but I'm not gonna. I took a scalp there. I would have added the bigger size down here, or even retesting down here. I'm gonna leave it alone for right now and just see what happens. The shorts, man, I just absolutely missed them. Didn't locate shares, didn't do anything on the short side. If you, I mean, look at this. Look at this time frame on Tesla on the bigger time frame. Look at the 4-hour on Tesla. You know, this thing needs to kind of cool off. That's why I was short bias at the beginning. Kind of squeezed me out. But look at this thing. This needs to pull back down to 180. Maybe even lower, 160s. But I don't know if it's going to do that pullback first or it's going to get $200 first. What's closer? $200. Can it just get $200? I have no idea. Uh, Today was a little crazy day, guys. So if you guys are in on anything else, congratulations. For once, I felt like Tesla was kicking me in the butt this morning. So, good morning, Kevin. I hope you're in on ELYS. I hope you're in on CVNA, Kevin. I hope you're in on literally every stock that's tanking because I have not taken a short today again. I was down like 1.6 on Tesla, man, and I'm down 200 right now. So, but there it is, guys. No revenge trading, no quick scalping, taking profits real quick. I'm still caught the trade down, caught this trade down, caught that trade down, made it back, and then a little bit here. But you know, I'm not revenge trading. Lucy's still going. Does Lucy have locates? Now that I got time to look at another stock, holy crap. Ooh, 20 cents. That's expensive for me. 20 cents is. Oh, yeah, this thing is moving like 50 cents at a time. Tesla, now again, you see it getting stuffed. You know, now I'm again a little bit pulled back down to VWAP. Would be nice here. It cannot get out of this 189.47. So this is that same level earlier. And I think this is the level that I saw kind of off the daily, but you know, it's kind of just a quick level. But right here, we tried earlier, we held it, we rejected. So now my plan would be another short here, risking this pivot there, and then move back on down. Kevin, I don't know if my stream is lagging. I haven't heard anybody complain. It might be on your end. It might be the ice storm your end, because my ice storm over here is not good. If you look at the 5-minute on Tesla, you can see this level up here, 189.47. Even after this pushback on up, it cannot break that level. Anybody trading Lucy? Good on my end, Kevin. Oh, and Lucy's really running. I think I'm late for that party. I would be swinging more short now. Daily, let's see. Daily, you had a lot of daily levels right there. I mean, this one technically has room to $7, but Now I'm listening to NF. You guys like NF? Anybody know NF? I'm up 70 on Lucy, keeping it to 100 shares because get burned by these movers more often than not. Long 10K Lucy, average 384, looking for 5 tests. Oh, it's almost there. 384 though? You got 10K shares at 384? Yeah, NF some good music. And now I'm listening to NF. What's the name of the song? Change. Wild boy, are you still in your Nvidia put? Nvidia seemed like tried bouncing off of VWAP, made a lower high. Now it's trying to get back down through VWAP. SPY is kind of pushing down, but not really selling off. It's kind of pushing down very slowly, very choppy. And well, I mean Tesla, I wouldn't even say anything about Tesla because Tesla's choppy today. Lucy to me looks like it's starting its backside there. 460 could not break. It tried going for it twice, could not break. Looking backside. But there was no way I'm shorting Lucy because Lucy has expensive locates, so I'm not touching Lucy. I don't want to pay big locates for no reason or just because. It might fade on down. It might rip to 5. If this thing comes back up and holds 450 real quick, maybe Michael pull back 450. You could take the quick trade to break 460, and that thing might run at that point. Look at this again. Tesla rips, SPY rips, Nvidia rips. How does this happen? Market makers messing with everybody today. That's a very nice pop on SPY though. That looks to be one of the best pops SPY's had all day today, so still down 3. Funny enough, my mom was the one who showed me NF originally. There we go. For real, Wild Boy, that's the same thing. Look at SPY just absolutely ripping right now. I just can't chase it right here. I can't chase it. Stop was 399. Almost stopped. Fixing to sell ALGN. Snook Aru. Good stuff, Kexodus. Yeah, good stuff, man. NF sounds like NF sounds like Eminem. Next level on Tesla. If I get over 190, hold 190, I'll go for the high day break. But SPY is ripping now. Nvidia's about to go back to highs. Tesla could run to highs too. Oh well, man. Oh well. I'm just getting burned today. CVNA win-win took out 200k seller at 1717. You buying CVNA down there, Fat G? You're good at spotting lows. By the way, Rome C is the god of long-term investing, dude. Guy has the lowest average on every single stock you can think of. What platform is this? This is Thinkorswim. Looks weak. Well, it looked weak, but this thing keeps holding. Reminder for everybody, I am red today on the day, but stream live every single day. If I close to $300 red today, that'll be the second red day of the whole year. Um, but if you guys are interested in learning or want to learn how to trade, I do offer a course with full mentorship. So you get the course, go through it, answer all your questions there. If you still got questions afterwards, want me to review any trades or anything like that, you guys can ask me to jump on a call or something like that, and then I can do that as well if you're part of the course. Offering the 150 off discount right now. So type in 150 off at the checkout page and you get $150 off. The link is in the TikTok bio, YouTube video recap, little things on my Discord. Everything else is free. The only thing I charge for is that. A lot of people charge just to stream free. I don't, so you guys can know that I do trade real money, do make real money, do know what I'm doing. Ow. Anyway, guys, another opportunity missed on the short side, and botched Tesla up today. I don't think I botched it, I just did not expect it. I mean, I guess I should have known with how much this struggled right here to break out. Yet, still broke out. I should have gone long, you see? And my thing was, oh, this is a bull for traps. This is a trap for bulls. This is a trap for bulls. But, if anything, this was a trap for shorts. Not holding that level, not holding that level, not holding that level. This should have gone down. This 186.91 there could not break. This was shorts here, so then they got squeezed. So that was my mistake, not seeing that. And then I thought it was a short trap or a bull trap, so then I shorted here and got squeezed one more time. So 2 losses back to back, so dang, Kexodus. That's okay, man. That's okay, man. When you get this one day, you're gonna bank big. Hopefully you get one of those soon, though. Good trade, though. Good trade, man. Zach, Lucy, 5-minute looks good. Lucy, kind of a nice runner on the daily. He's been holding higher lows. Okay. Actually, this actually does look pretty good, Zach. You're looking at like 3. Shoot, this could even dip down a little more, right? To that pivot at 358. Volume is decreasing this whole move down, though. ELYS is the one I missed, man. I don't know that I would have shorted it here, though. I mean, I know this thing is up a lot. But I probably would have waited. Oh, I guess 150. No, I never hit 150. How are you guys doing so far today? I know some of you guys have posted y'all's P&Ls, but I'm red right now, $300, which is tiny compared to what I was down. And I know $300, I can get one good trade here and still get that back. Even Tesla, the same level now, 190 cannot break. Look how much stuffing is going down here on this Tesla chart up here. We cannot break this 190, 190, 190, 190, 190, 190. So if I was to take a stab, I would say if we don't break out of this 190, I'm going short here. But I already tried it, and this thing just comes right back up, comes right back up. Right here, this is the consolidation I'm looking at, 190. You see? We got a squeeze of 190 and then instant rejection, so right now, if you get a trade, what I'm trying to do is get a trade as... Oh, there goes Lucy, Zach. There goes Lucy a little bit. Did you get that, Zach? I'm glad my power's not gone out though. But what if I would have went down to 1.6 and then my power would have gone out? I'd have been so upset. There I would have been triggered. There goes Lucy, man. There goes Lucy. Zach with the 5-minute call out. Oh, that sucks, Fat G. That happens all the time, dude. I tried that like last year, and I remember the day I sized up. Literally, like I jumped in on a trade with pretty decent size, and offering came out. Like as soon as I jumped in on the trade, like 30 seconds later, offering came out on the stock in the middle of the day. Market hours, and this thing dropped, and I went from like positive like 600, $700 on this on that ticker to like negative like 2.4 or something like that, like in an instant. Like it halted down so fast. I remember that. Yeah, like I literally was like, all right, I'm stepping. I think I stepped up to 8,000 shares on a penny stock, and it literally just instantly dropped. I also closed it really fast. Like as soon as that thing dropped, I closed it out. If I would have held it like, oh, the Lucy, what a messed up trade there. Um, if I would have held it like I think literally an extra 5 seconds, I would have been down like 3 or 4 5K or something like that. It was something crazy. I was like, well, gosh dang, like I'm glad I stopped out. No hesitation on that flush. Yeah, I made that a YouTube short. Yeah, when the news came out, which is weird because I don't usually see news come out during market open hours. Like it's usually pre-market after hours. That might be maybe one of two ever that I've seen. Oh God, my God, my God. After that flush, I started to research the offering thing. I mean, I've been trading for almost 3 years, and I had never seen it or never got caught in one. I think maybe I saw one during market hours. Oh no, my stream is running. It's my Thinkorswim platform. You have failed to deliver my order. What the heck was that? Yeah, so I think maybe I had seen it once or twice before, but the odds of getting caught in that, incredible. Nailed it perfectly. Yeah, I think TOS froze for everybody. I think that wasn't a internet. I haven't really seen that in a while, but that was not an internet or I looked at my stream and my still was still running, so I was like a little confused there. Spy looks like it wants to curl up. Like everything is hanging out right before highs. Lucy missed that trade there. Is there anything else moving on momentum scanner? I see UPST on there. But that's a slow grinder. Don't really like that. CVNA kind of done, right? Yeah, ELYS kind of done. Tesla, I'm short against 190 pivot here. If 190 keeps holding, I'm gonna keep staying in this trade. Um, this thing just cannot make a decision, man. Maybe it's Elon Musk buying this thing. Maybe Elon Musk has like orders on the bids this whole time, and as soon as the stock shows red, Elon Musk comes in and buys the stock. He wants his stock to go up to 200 so he can sell. I bet that's it, dude. I bet he's messing with us all. That could be a real thing. I wonder if he knows how to trade. I wonder if those people know how to trade. Like, I wonder if like Mark Zuckerberg or Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk, like at times are like, dude, my stock is a little pricey. Don't you think we should sell some? Like telling his people, oh, what is gonna happen here? Is this actually gonna squeeze a high day? Get me out, Thinkorswim. Is this actually gonna squeeze? SPY just squeezed. Oh, come on, Thinkorswim platform. Why are you so slow on fills? SPY's ripping. Nvidia wants to go for a high. Tesla, this 190 holds. I'm in now. 190 holding on Tesla. I'm in, looking for a high day now. I want this to keep running to high day now. High day, high day, high day. Come on, give me back to green on the day. It's so close. It wants to just pull away like crazy right here. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Come on, just give me to high day. I want to sell a little bit, but I'm looking for high day. I have 300 shares left. I'm holding most for high day break. SPY is absolutely flying now. Nvidia's about to break a high. I don't see why this should stop here. I don't see why this should stop. This is going to give me a new high day here. There's a squeeze. There's a high. There's some selling there. Went from like negative 400 on the day now to positive. Hitting new highs still. Wow, everything just absolutely ripped. If you're not in Nvidia, you might take a trade, quick scalp high day there. Nvidia has not hit a new high day. Everything is ripping right now, so I mean, Lucy, did anybody actually short Lucy? I know the fees were kind of expensive though, but I want to see if I get just one more attempt to hit a new high here again. This candle closes high, that's fine. Next candle maybe tries to go for a new high here. Nope. I'm green. Oh my gosh, biggest comeback of the year. This is insane, man. Why can't I do this when I was up 1.6? Why couldn't I have made 1.6 after that and been up 3.2? But no, I went down 1.6, made 1.6, now I'm up $82 on the day. Let's go. But I gotta be careful though. You know, I know what I'm doing for the most part. You guys saw me go down 1.6. I mentioned if I go 2K, I'm done. Right? If I go 2K, I'm done. I had a little wiggle room to push it. And, I got the trade there. So, luckily, it still worked out. And I was able to get it back. But, as a beginner, as soon as you get to some of those pullback now, my trade is down here. If I get this way down here, I'm adding back again. This could go for another leg. This is literally Tesla could run to, what are we at? $9? No, I don't think we can get 200 today. I don't think so, but yeah. Still watching CVNA to see if it's still trapping shorts. Juan Lucy just dropped down to within 2 cents of where you said it would. Nice call. I see it, but it got so heavy now. CVNA could be trapping a lot of shorts. That stock has had a strong daily. I think it's been on our radar for the last week. As far as that, though, I don't see anything else. SPY just hit a new high. Fat G, someone mentioned it already. CVNA potentially forming cup and handle on the 5, 3, 2, and 1 on the daily. Or not daily at all, or no? Man, I have never seen a stock dude like what Tesla's doing on the daily. Snookaroo, just close your position on ALGN for a win, for a loss, for huge profits. Wait, ALGN, that thing is like 400 bucks a share. We got Tamimi Rumsey tomorrow. The non-farm payer might confirm that Lucy first 5-minute candle making you high right now. Great money. There we go. I like it. So I am back to green $82, but Tesla having some trouble here. I can't believe SPY is up that much, man. No way Meta. Well, Meta, yeah, but that's because of earnings. But the daily, like, as far as something actually pushing up consistently day after day after day after day for literally a month. I mean, if you look at Tesla for a month since January 2nd at $100.94, this thing has had 3 red days. This thing is almost doing as good as I am trading. I got 2 red. Wait, no, I got 1 red day. I was counting today as my 2nd red day of the year. I got 1 red day. Sorry, it's almost doing as good as me, and that's hard to do. No, I'm serious, guys. Look at the Tesla daily chart. This is something incredible, and it's leaving gaps in the way too, which makes it even worse. Lucy, what a squeeze. You sold, dude. I had calls on SPY and Tesla yesterday, and I let them go. TikTok people, how you guys doing over there? Green, red? What do you guys? How do you guys doing? Check gold. I don't trade gold. I don't trade forex. I don't trade any of that. Although it's been a while since somebody asked me for something like that. Wow, Nvidia never hit the high a day. Wow. I took the Lucy trade from 389 to 405. Good stuff, good stuff. I'm out of here. LO, 400 bucks negative. Wow, boy, I didn't expect this either, man. I didn't expect this either. That's why I switched my buys real quick, and well, I caught this move down, this move down. So that's what made $1,600 back. I was actually green 300 at the bottom here, but I didn't take it. And then I think I got squeezed here again. So I went back down to negative and then kind of chopped around here, but finally got the breakout here and got this thing to go for me. But that was tough, man. SPY's going crazy. SPY's acting more of a penny stock than any other penny stock today. I'm serious. You gotta take that. That's okay, wild boy. Way to walk away though. My last add-on Tesla to the long term was 112. Wish I bought more at that low of 101. Dude, that is insane. Everybody down at $100 for Tesla was like, nah, this thing is going under 100. And those people that were buying when everybody was panicking at $100, look at them now. They're up $90 a share. They're almost up double their position. Can you think it? Can you imagine that? Whoever bought $100 literally a month ago on Tesla is almost double their money. Now I don't know who else has the I wanted to say I wanted to say something, but I don't know how else to frame it. I don't know who else has the diamond hands like Rome C does to hold all the way up to $190. It's insane. It's crazy, but it's an investment, you know. But that's still crazy. Rome C. Rome C bought down in the 112s on Tesla, and he has not sold a thing. He's gonna be filthy when he retires. Sold 2 spike calls, holding one for free. The 218 strike spike calls, like naked spike calls, or you have shares. Isaac's ad was 105 on Tesla. Part of me tells me Tesla, you got to come down again, but part of me is telling me Tesla just wants 200 bucks today, so I don't know. I'm leaving it alone right now. I mean, it strides breaking highs right here, and it's not. Spy is still ripping. I'm telling you, Spy is the penny stock of the day. Lucy, actually, what a 5 minute or flag on Lucy right here. Look at this. I missed that. Lucy, watch this thing just squeeze a high a day. 4-6 on Lucy. Watch this. This is about to squeeze so many shorts, I think. This could go straight up to 5. Adding for the break of 460 on Lucy real quick. Quick scalp. That was a close attempt. This was 2020, 2021 kind of trades right here. Shorts are trying to keep this down, but this could squeeze to 460 and go straight to 5 real quick. Tesla just broke out again. I don't got a reason to lie. This doesn't want to break out. See, I take losses too. I have bad days too, man. Tried to leave a runner but got scared out. I'm in Lucy 349, out 387. Now I'm getting FOMO. What should I do? Yeah, I know, Rumsey. Dude, don't want to take the small red day, man, but I can't find a good trade. Look at this Tesla, dude. It's actually upsetting me that I'm not in this thing. What is even Lucy? What is Lucy's news? What are the locates on Lucy now? 22 cents a share, dude. What the heck? My long position on Tesla? Actually, no. I sold all of it too. I really thought this thing was not gonna more keep going. I messed up. This is gonna go to 200 today. Oh my gosh. How am I not banking on this thing today? Ah. This is pretty upsetting. The only thing I can think of is give me a nice dip and let's see if we really run to 200 bucks. I mean, I can't imagine it actually doing it, but this is pretty crazy, man. This is pretty crazy. It just goes. It just hits a new high after new high after new high. CVNA liftoff. What is your cost basis on CVNA? But it's a beast of a stock. I mean, I hadn't traded Tesla this much, and I had never seen action like this. I mean, now I know that when this thing wants, look at this thing. Kind of a spike is that though? Makes me want to think the top is in, or at least for now, at least for a small pullback. That huge spike like that right there. But that huge spike could have been Elon Musk buying his last bit of shares. I'm also not even gonna try to nail a home run trade right here. Like as soon as I get some movement in my direction, like 100 bucks here, 150 bucks there, like I'm taking that profit. Like there is no messing with this today. There's no, maybe to the long side if I get a nice dip, but that's a huge kind of stuff right there. Kind of weird how that happened too, because it did not go up to that level. Spy's also getting kind of stuffed up there too at 416 for some reason. So you hit a high, hit a smaller high, and then quick rejection on down. This Tesla, huge stuff there. I could see another pullback on down. Lucy cracked that thing, could not get a high. I did end up going back to Lucy and then took a loss there. So I think I'm still green on the day, but this is today on Tesla's reminding me like the first day that it had just insane amount of buyers. I just cannot see this thing. Look at the 5 minutes. I look at this no pullback. I cannot see this thing running like this crazy. Oh my gosh, Lucy again, dude. If Lucy gets up there again this time, for sure I think it squeezes. That's like the third time back up to 460. I added some Tesla short up here a little bit. I want to see this kind of pass through here and give me a nice pull down. I have 400 shares, not a lot again, but I'm looking for a nice follow through down. But this thing, every dip gets bought up. SPY hit a new high. Nvidia's still falling. 800K buyer at 1717 on what? Oh, Carvana. Okay, I'm writing this Tesla down now. Got the top on Tesla there because of that huge spike, so I decided to jump in short, kind of using it as a stop and getting this move down on Tesla. Have 200 shares left. Now I'm up 400 on Tesla, so I literally have made back $2,000 today. You know, to be calling this day green, I'm going to be running on luck. This is insane. It's just quite insane, guys. This is the days I wish they were completely green. But, you know what? In the end, I take the green. I have 100 shares left just to see if I can get one more push down. 5 minute needs to cool off a little bit. 5 minute chart tells me this thing could go back down to 192 at least, if not 191. Now SPY just ripped. What? Guys, I confirm. Fat G, what the heck? Oh, Fat G, did you just nail Carvana? I looked left and I see nothing but Fat G on the chat, and so I was like, wait a second. I look at Carvana and I'm like, that has to be it. I didn't read your comments, but that has to be it. SPY, dude, what the heck? Whoever's holding long-term positions on anything today, they are... Oh, Rumsey, of course, Rumsey. They are absolutely feeling the richness that they just got. I'm still holding my last 100 shares here on Tesla short. This thing could run back up to highs, but I'm looking for one more low. That's a great of a trade. That's a great trade there, Fat G. Congrats, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. Definitely shorts were in there trying to get that VWAP to hold. So you got the squeeze through VWAP as that was a short trap. That was a bear trap right there. $390 up right now. Lucy hitting that top again. Carvana is straight up going up. Is shit halted now? It's halted? Jesus, dude. Carvana is like Tesla now, too. Dude, if Tesla wants to go for another squeeze, oh my gosh, this is going straight to 200 today. If it does this, bro, I'm gonna play this long aggressively and literally try to leave runners. See if this thing wants to go to 200 because this is insane. This is insane. Look at this. It's doing the same thing it did Friday last week. Watch. Just if we get over 193.82, I'm gonna take some longs for high day break, and I want to see if we just actually go to 200 now. If we get over this pivot here and start holding it, I'm gonna actually just take some longs on Tesla, see if I get a new high day, and see how far this thing wants to run now. If it wants to go to 200, hopefully I can take some runners. This is gonna be crazy for this thing. Well, close right at it, but CVNA has GME vibes. Isn't CVNA also like bankruptcy news? Bankruptcy news. The green week so far though. I had a red day. Oh no, yeah. Wait, what's today? Thursday. I feel like I had a red day. Oh, I had a red day Monday, cause that was Monday was still last month. But I think Tuesday I made 1,000, and then yesterday I made 1,000, and then today I'm sitting at I think 300 bucks because I did lose 90 on Lucy, so I'm sitting $300 green, but I was down like 1.6 today, so just the fact that I'm green right now, I'm happy. But honestly, man, if Tesla wants to run, this thing could literally keep running at this point. It could do one of those things again where it's just gonna absolutely squeeze people. Every breakout is a climax, as a great old book said. Up 575. Learned a lot watching you the last week. Thank you. Alright, sure. Thank you, man. What was the positive catalyst on CVNA? There's no positive catalyst. I think CVNA was like, hey guys, we're going bankrupt. Buy, 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 buy. That's literally what happens, guys. If a stock announces they're going bankrupt, you buy the stock. You know, that's what it comes down to. BBUI bankruptcy, you buy it. Carvana bankruptcy, you buy it. GME, GameStop bankruptcy, you buy it. AMC bankruptcy, you buy it. And that's not even exaggerated. Like literally, as soon as the stock says they're going bankrupt, everybody buys it. And I don't know why that happens. I don't know if it's like you ever since Hertz, man, Chap 11 have been nuts. Hertz, I feel like I remember that. But Lucy is forming an ABCD pattern. You see how Tesla has no selling pressure still? Like this thing pulled down, yeah, this thing pulled down, but look at the volume. Pretty low still. Dude, it just seems like 200 is so far away though. Like 200 is way up there. That just seems way too far away from here. But shoot, I don't know. I said bearish this morning. Look at this. GNS. Somebody mentioned GNS. Tesla has hit his ATR. It could fall down now. Big difference between chapter 11 chapter 7. Still buy chapter 7. Oh, here goes Tesla again. Look at this. Gets over this pivot. Didn't like that close. Spike could be looking backside now too though, so be careful. If you see SPY, it also kind of looks like it's trying to broke uptrend. Here goes Tesla again though. Tesla does his own thing. Tesla's going 200. Just kidding. I have no idea, but SPY looking like it's backside, trying to sell off a little bit. Doesn't help me because Tesla, I still wish this one can keep on rallying now. You know what I thought about? I don't know how it would work. I don't know if I have to get a special camera or something, but you know what I thought about getting that I thought might be kind of cool? I thought about getting that thing that tracks your eyes, like where you're looking at, and that way when I trade, I can use it and you guys can see exactly where my eyes are looking as I'm in the trade. Or I could see myself, what am I really looking at? Because sometimes I like look back and I'm like, did I look at the level 2 or did I not? You know? Did I glance at it or something like that? I don't know how accurate they are, but I thought that'd be kind of cool, right? I don't know why I just thought of that randomly because right now I'm in this trade and I'm looking at it to see if it wants to keep squeezing, if it wants to go one more run, but I'm not selling this. I'm not selling this, bro. Bro, I'm not selling this. Screw this. I'm not selling this Tesla. Come on, pull away really hard so my stop doesn't get triggered. Come on, come on, come on, pull away. Go 195 at least. There's a lot of shorts coming in here, so if we get one more thing again, we could run high there. We could go past it. Here it goes. There it goes. I'm not selling. 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 I'm not selling, bro. I am not selling, bro. Dude, I am not selling, dude. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I'm selling. Hands off the keyboard. Hands off the keyboard. I'm not selling. I want to sell. This is ridiculous. Bro, I'm not selling, dude. I refuse to sell. Am I messing up right now or should I sell? I'm not selling, dude. I'm not selling. 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 Tell myself, don't sell, don't sell, don't sell, don't sell, don't sell. My literally pinky's holding the shift button. My pinky's holding the shift button, dude. I'm going stir crazy, bro. I've been locked in for like 3 days straight, not leaving my house. I'm stir crazy right now. I want to take this profit. New high here. Do we actually pull away? Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that right there is bad, bro. Dude, that's bad. That was bad. Oh, wait. I'm not selling. 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 Damn my hands. Damn my hands. Rome C, help me out, bro. Rome C, help me out, dude. What do you think of ponies, bears, something? I don't know. Think of something else besides selling. 195, break it 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 195. Don't sell, don't sell, don't sell, don't sell, don't sell. Come on, come on, come on. Look, oh my God, look at those ask orders on Tesla. That's big for Tesla. Don't sell, 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 don't sell. Listen to my song. Close your eyes. Listen to my song. No, I can't do that. I gotta look at it. 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 195 break. 195 break. 500 orders at 195. What the heck? There's no way we fill 500 orders on the ass, dude. I sold some. Oh no, I went against my rules. I sold some. I sold 50 though. I sold 50 though. That's not a lot. I'll sell 50 more. Oh frick, I'm panicking. 200 shares. I'll put it 194.32. 194.32. Dude, look how many orders are at 195 on the ask. There's no way we fill those. Should I buy myself? Should I just buy 2,000 shares at 195, get this thing to run? No way no way. Look at this. If this breaks 195, I could see this thing run again. Another. Oh! Oh, wait a second. What the heck was that? This is a penny stock. This is literally a penny stock. I'm not selling, I'm not selling, I'm not selling, I'm not selling, I'm not selling. I'm not selling, 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 I'm not selling. There's no way, dude. There's no way. I'm not selling, I'm not selling, I'm not selling. I gotta sell some. Okay, 150 shares. Dude, this is ridiculous. I have not seen Tesla like this ever in my life, dude. Or at large cap. Dude, this is literally trading more like a penny stock than Lucy. This broke out better than Lucy. What in the world, dude? And it doesn't stop. Look at this. Now it went from 195 straight to 196. And it literally just cannot catch a pullback. Oh my gosh, 196. How many orders do we got at 196? Ain't no problem. I'm buying myself. Ain't no problem. Ain't no problem. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, bring it on. Ask. Bring it on, sellers. Come on, 196. How much you got? How much you got? How much you willing to ask for it? I'll pay it. Whatever it is, I'll pay for it. I can't even see it. It's not even here. There it is. How much you willing to? How much you offering? How much you offering? Huh? How much you want to offer? Come on, show it to me. Show it to me. Put it on the table. Lay it out. Oh, that was weak, bro. That was weak. That's all you had to offer at 196? That was weak. You can do better than that, Tesla. You can do better than that. That was weak. That was weak. Everybody and the grandmothers are buying. Dude, that was weak, Tesla. That was weak. That was a weak offer. Smack that out of here. Get that out of here. That was a disgrace to offer 21 shares on the ask at 196. 195 did better than you. Guys, what do I do? Do I fully sell? Is this really going to go 200? I mean, I don't have much left, but if this goes one more dollar up, I'm going to be sitting at $1,000 day again, back to back to back. Oh, actually, no, I lost 90 bucks on Lucy. I lost 90 bucks on Lucy. Oh my gosh, bro. This is literally HKD at this point. This is literally HKD, GME the first day. This is literally AMC the first day, day one. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm going to take my profit. 900 bucks? Dude, I was down 1.6 on the day. Tesla gonna get halted. Tesla gonna get halted, and it ain't a T12. It's a volatility halt on Tesla, bro. This is ridiculous. Bro, I want to buy some puts. I want to buy some long-term puts, man. I got 50 people on TikTok. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in to this stream. I do this every day. $1,000 today, $1,000 yesterday, $1,000 the day before that. Let's lock it up. Let's lock it up. Let's see how much I'm up today. I do this free for every single one of you guys, every single morning. I get tired of people telling me on TikTok, you are crap. You're fake. And look at this. Prove you wrong, bro. Just come watch me trade live. Just watch me trade live. I'll make your weekly income in one day. Come on. Watch me. I didn't realize how much I also finished last week. Last week I finished at 4.7K. Bro, now my internet's acting up. I can't input the trade. There we go. Thinkorswim. By the way, guys, you guys see me make this money. You guys see me importing it right into my bank account. If you guys want to learn how to do this, I do offer a course. You get full mentorship from me. Wait, how am I... Oh, yeah, 900. So I'm up 800 on the day. I thought it was closer to 900, but I forgot Lucy again. Dude, it's funny how no matter how I start the day, or no matter how I'm trading, I always end up at between 800 to $1,200 on the day. You know? Isn't that weird? Like, I don't know how I time it like that. Or I don't know how it just happens like that. Shoot, if this cools off a little bit more, Tesla could go another run to 200, man. I think everybody just wants 200 on Tesla now. So what is the difference between the YouTube stream and what you do with Tradecaster? Nothing. It's the same thing. I think Tradecaster might be like a slight 1-2 seconds delayed, but it's the same thing, man. Tech and Money saying, get the course. LOL, Juan Trade, stay humble, son. Stay humble. I am humble, bro. Wait, why'd you say that? What did I say? Did I say something bad? Oh, are you saying it because I said I'll make your weekly income in one day? Yeah, I don't ever say stuff like that. I don't ever say stuff like that. You guys know. You guys know me. What software do I use? Thinkorswim. What time do you get on live stream? Every morning, man. How many red days this month? February just started, so zero red days. Today's February 2nd, and I'm up 2K on the month almost. So 0 red days this month, and only 1 red day last month. And days like this, let your ego fly out a bit. Just say, just kidding at the end. Yeah, just kidding, guys. Just kidding. I gotta apologize for saying I'll make your weekly income in one day. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Whatever you guys work in, I appreciate it. Does this work from Australia? Bro's underrated, dude. For real, man. For real. I almost said something else, Fat G, but I got it. I am. I'm not gonna be that guy. Not today. But that you think you become millionaire? Of course I will. One more thing, guys. The course, if you guys want it, 150 off discount at the checkout page. So you type in 150, no spaces off, and you get that discount for the course. So if you guys are interested in that, you get all the videos in that course, which is a lot, you know, and then you get full mentorship. So if you want me to review your trades, hop on a call with you, anything at all in general, I can do that if you're a course member. I literally do work as much as you guys need me to for everybody that's in my course member. And if you guys go on the Discord and you ask, people that are in the course will tell you that yes, I'll jump on calls. I'll answer any questions. If there's a topic I didn't cover in the course, I'll make a video for it. If there's a topic that I didn't explain very well, I'll cover it. You know, I'll re-explain it. Anything at all. The price of the course, it's $300 with the discount. You know, the discount included, you're paying $300. Which honestly, you guys are gonna be like, dude, $300, that's a lot. Go and find everybody else on TikTok, everybody else on YouTube, everybody else on whatever website you want, YouTube, and I guarantee you their course is not cheaper than $300. And if it is, they don't stream live completely free. They don't show you their actual P&L and you know all of that stuff. And I do all of this for free. These people are charging you 90 to 100 bucks a month just to watch them trade live. I do it completely free. So if you guys want to see actual my P&L as well, so for example today I'm up 800. Yesterday I made 1,000. 1,000, lost 600. That's my only red day in the last like 30 something days. 1,400, 1,200, 1,300, 1,200, 700, $200, 1,000, 900, 750, 760, 780, 300, 500, 700, 150, 600, 320, $8, 500, 500, 600. This is this year so far. I know I posted a TikTok about this and everybody was saying that it's a lie. Well, look at this. I checked February, right? Yesterday 1,000, today 800. Don't be sorry, be cocky, man. You earned it. Found you yesterday. Random. Awesome, man. Thanks for hopping on the stream. I wish I would have shorted Tesla now. I should have followed this back on down. I really thought 200 would be in the books today, but you know, I also sold like the very top, dude. Like I know I didn't want to sell and I was joking about it, but it pulled away too much. Look at this. Bought it right there. And this thing I sold at 196.45 and the highest it hit it was 196.75. Oh my gosh. 30 cents off that move is insane. Look at this now, free falling. Crazy. I should have bought the puts. How much tax do you pay? Short-term capital gain, so same thing as any other income. How much do you start off with in your account each day? Uh, I mean, over PDT rule, but some of these stocks, I mean, if you're trading Tesla, you're going to need more capital, but if you're trading any of the other stocks, you don't need nearly as much to trade them. Or you can trade options, and you can trade what I trade on Tesla with like 500 bucks. Which broker do you use? TD Ameritrade. What's your thought about trading with leverage? If you're day trading every day and you're using leverage, I don't have a problem with that as long as you close the trade. You know, you can lose more than what you have technically, but if you close the trade at the end of the day, you're not going to be in trouble. You're just using more money. But if you use leverage and then you bag hold the stock, and then now you're holding, you know, $30,000 of a stock and you only have $10,000 in your account, then you could take a huge loss, and you'll be paying interest on whatever amount you're borrowing. So I don't recommend it. But if you're gonna buy and sell like me, and if you get the trade wrong, you close it in a minute, 2 minutes. If it didn't go your way and you get out of it, that's fine. You know, use the leverage. You get more money used. Will you take a trade off the 2 minute 50 MA? Oh, never mind. I broke through. I don't really use EMAs either now. I have an accountant for my taxes. What about VWAP bounce AMD? Haven't looked at AMD today at all. AMD also pretty extended on the daily. I honestly kind of wanted to follow Tesla with some shorts. Do I get charged for interest on day trades? No. Oh, like if you use leverage? I don't think so. I think it's only overnight. Because I think you only get charged on what you're borrowing if you borrow it overnight. I think. Don't quote me on that because I don't use it, but this tryhard thinks he know. This is what I'm talking about, man. This guy just came on TikTok and say this tryhard thinks he knows. Cool story, bro. Cool story, bro. How do you set up to be a day trader so that you're not paying wash balance real? As long as you show every single trade at the end of the year, so you submit your thing, you should be fine. It's mostly to avoid like people like taking a huge loss one year and then they close it out, take the loss for that year, and then they reopen it the next year, and then they take a loss, so their taxes go down, but in reality they're still holding that stock, So, oh my gosh, I should have followed Tesla short. You emailed TD, they said no interest on leverage if it's a day trade, so got it right. I just finished trading for the day. What's your plan for this trade? Just made 62 off an AMC long from 595 to 630. Just got out of the meetings. You out of the red? Crypto wire? Crypto wire. Look at this crypto wire. Look at this crypto wire. I don't miss. I don't miss. Do I have anyone from your mentorship trading from Australia? I'm not sure. I know I have some people in there that are from different places, but all they really tell me most of the times is I'm not in the US. But there's ways around it, man. There's offshore brokers that you can use if you're not from the United States. There's international brokers you can use. Some things are going to be different, but I mean, you can trade. You can open an account with other brokers. Have you used Robinhood? No, I never had Robinhood. I feel like maybe I had it at the beginning, but I think when I had Robinhood, I used it to buy, I think maybe it was Bitcoin. I'm not sure. Or not Bitcoin. I don't remember. I think something coin related that TD didn't have. And so I opened a Robinhood account, but I ended up closing it. Is paper money a good way to practice trading? Yes, it is. I trade Tesla and penny stocks. So today I missed a couple penny stocks. I traded Lucy, but I took a loss on it. I lost 90 bucks on Lucy, but other than that, I mean, I trade everything that I see. I also started shorting penny stocks as well, so I do that. Weeble is another good one, so yeah. Your wife said quit your job and trade. Sergio, you have no idea, man. I was down 1.6k. I think you could have caught this trade, bro. Clean pivots, you just lost focus. Yeah, I did. Yeah, yeah. On the way down, could have shorted this one and could have shorted that one. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think you're right. I think at this point I had such a roller coaster day that I think I was kind of like, you know what? I'm done. 800 bucks, calling it here. But I think you're right. I was down, Sergio. I was down 1.6, bro. But a key lesson from today, guys. A key lesson that all of you guys have to understand. You guys can be the best chart analysis, technical trader, anything like that. But if you cannot control your emotions, man, you're not going to go far. You go back and watch this recap, guys. Not the recap, the live trading or my recap as well on YouTube. I have every single live trading video stored in real time, or like everything was like legit. Like I'm not going back and I should about hear this. Like it's literally the raw video of me trading on YouTube. So you guys go back and watch that. And if for everybody saying, man, you're cap, bro, you're lying, you like this isn't real. I have literally over a year since I started doing this, or about a year now, that every single live trade that I took, every single trade that I took in the last year is stored on YouTube. So you guys can literally go back and watch it. Um, but what was I saying? So today I was down 1.6. I got burned twice. I got burned on. I was short here, got squeezed, and then got short here again and got squeezed. So I went down 1.6 right away. I knew it was early in the day and I knew I could get it back. So at this point I was like, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna keep my cool. I focused. I even said it out loud. I was like, I'm just gonna look for the better trade. I'm not scalping this. I'm not revenge trading. My share size didn't go through the roof to try to make it back. I stayed calm. I found the trades. I think a couple of these I was like, this 190 cannot stay down. This 190 cannot break out. So I took some shorts. Got that one there. I think I followed it here. I scaled up. Finally got that move down there. I think I was back to green there. And then I tried it here again for the move down. Again, squeezed me out. So I went back to red. I didn't get green until this whole move today, and I'm kind of lucky that that happened because if Tesla wouldn't have squeezed like this and would have gone range trap all day, that would have been choppy action. Probably would not have made it back. Oh, somebody just mentioned GNS might explode, and look at it now. Anyways, I got lucky that today was a training day, and this thing kept going up and up and up. So I was like, you know what, this thing might go to 200. I'm gonna go ahead and take a long, and I'm gonna try to stick it out. At that point, I think I was already up 400, $500 on the day, maybe less, maybe more. But I did get this whole run right here, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So stayed calm, looked for the next trade, didn't revenge trade, didn't scalp the living thing out of. Oh my gosh, Lucy again, bro. Lucy again. Look at this. This might go through 5. This might go through 5. This might go through 5. This has 30 seconds left though, but if this holds 30 seconds, bounces 461, I'm taking a trade through 5 on Lucy. If this holds 461, I'm taking a trade through 5 on Lucy. So many shorts are about to stop out real quick. I didn't get a pullback of 461 and broke 5 but barely. It's still holding up though. I could see this thing just get one last push. I'm barely in with this though. I was looking for that 461 retest, but it's getting a little heavy. If this goes through 5 again or breaks a new high, a lot of shorts just came in here. They might actually squeeze this pretty good. I think I'm losing my mind. This wants to go, dude. Here it goes, break of 5. I didn't see the ask on 5. It's right there. I only see one order there. Candle has 13 seconds left. I'm out. I don't think I made any money on that. I couldn't get it. Don't miss Tesla to 200. Thomas, no shares on Lucy on trade 0. Let me see. Oh my gosh, bro. The price of Lucy shorts keeps flying through the roof. It's up to 30 cents now per share. Yeah, I definitely wanted. Oh, sorry. If my stream stops, sorry guys, my laptop turned off. Dang it. ¿Qué mercado operas? Bolsa de valores. Oh, frick. I hope TradeCaster didn't stop. Sometimes when my... Are you guys still here on TradeCaster? Sorry. I guess I'm streaming for a long time today. My laptop turned off. I don't remember how much I was up on Lucy or down on Lucy. Oh, I was down $94 and now I'm down 93, so I made $1 on that trade. Wow. Thanks, Nate. Shoot, honestly, I don't know what to do, guys. I might be done for the day. I mean, Tesla could have been another short there, but I'm gonna keep an eye on this though. If Tesla gets back over 195 today, breaks a high, any point, if Tesla gets over this level, I could see $200 today. SPY is holding sideways. This thing kind of got to back end and it's kind of holding. If Tesla reclaims 195, I could see one last push on Tesla to 200, possibly. I totally forgot, and I messed up. I did end up taking some Tesla puts like yesterday or something, so I'm down like 300 bucks on those. So that's unfortunate. But they are put spread, so that's like the max I'm gonna lose, and I got until like March something. If it goes under like 175 or something like that, let me see. 165, yeah, I'm gonna lose it. It's down, oh, 200 bucks. Expires March 10th. So I'm gonna lose 300 bucks there. GNS long 743 and sold 750 plus 63.90 small pop. Didn't like how it broke and slowly climbed up. Oh wow, there it goes GNS. Bro, this is the other Carvana. This and Carvana are annoying stocks, dude. Literally, GNS and Carvana are the same stock, dude. Vuelve a Tesla. I don't know what to do with Tesla right now. It's not in a place where I would see this thing. The top in Tesla, I see this flat resistance here. This is about as clean as you can look for. I could see Tesla still push down lower for right now, short term. You see this? Even looks like a picture perfect head and shoulders. You know, I hate that pattern, but here it is. There's the left shoulder. There's the head. Here's the right shoulder. That looks picture perfect to me. You know, this should crack this 192 and pull back down to maybe this low again. But if this thing keeps climbing up, I'm telling you, if this reclaims 195 or this level right here, 194.63, this thing could go to 200 today at this point. Going to head off before I make the broker more commissions. Great job today, Juan Trades. Good luck to everyone else still trading. And remember to trade your setup. See you tomorrow. Another thing, guys, please go and hit the Discord link wherever you guys are watching. Whether you guys are watching on TikTok, YouTube, Tradecaster, I got my Discord links on there as well. Just go and be active there. You know, chat, talk together. I know a lot of people go into my Discord that are new, and they're probably like, "Oh, nobody's here, nobody's talking, so I'm not gonna watch this dude trade live." And honestly, we got a bunch of you guys here in the live stream. So if you guys see any setups, any trades you guys are still watching, you know, yesterday at FOMC, some of them were trading meta earnings. Romc brought it up. You know, you guys go on the Discord and just chat. Let's all be a nice community. Liked and subscribed. Appreciate it. Random. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Fat G, though. Appreciate it. Yeah, Kevin, come join and hang out in the Discord. Kevin's there. A lot of us are there. We're just all lurkers. Like, nobody talks. But let's hit that like button and break 50 likes. Thank you, Rodrigo, as well. Fat G, you have a good day, man. You have a good rest of your day. Amy Young, good lesson for me that I still get emotion. I have to learn not to oversize. I am lucky today. 400. Wait, you're green 450, Amy? There you go, Amy. There you go. Congrats, Amy. Everybody give a little fire money emoji, anything on Amy Young on Tradecaster. She is one member of my course, and I have worked with her. I've gone over her trades. I've gone on calls with her. I keep working with her, and she is putting in the work. So everybody give something on Tradecaster for Amy Young. Little emoji there. I started it. You guys like it, like it, like it. Please, please, please. She deserves it. Where's the money one? Oh, wait. Somehow I put a smiley face. Well, you get a smiley. Oh, no. Smiley face went away. Tesla. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Round two. Round two, Tesla. This is going to 200. It's like Lucy for the third time. It's like Lucy back to 4-6 for the third time. 194.63, clean level in the sand here on Tesla. I want to see if buyers step in again real quick here. These two red candles got low volume. Super low volume on these two red candles here. But it's actually not working out. Try taking the closed trade. Wow. I gotta close that. So I gave some profit back. Dang it. As soon as I saw that pop there, these low candles down, I had to take another stab at it. But it could hold again, man. Dang it. SPY getting ready to test highs. It tried. Man, Nvidia's such a chop fest today. And Lucy held 461 but can't get out of 5. I think this is a good loss there. That tiny little pullback there, I was just looking to hold it. This was a nice move. Volume came in out of nowhere. And then this candle here had low volume. So I took the trade as close as possible to there. This trade right here would have been the same trade as this one right here, where it finally closed above it at this level. Took that micro pullback there and actually worked this time. Or that time. So this one I gave back 250 bucks maybe. So I went from probably 800 on the day down to like high 500s. But either way, from being up, from being down 1.6, green today might just be gorgeous. Yeah, 550 on the day. That was just a false breakout there. Given that profit off the top, though, might be my sign to call it, so don't overtrade now. Yeah, so there we go. Yeah, you guys know what to do. I know what to do. You guys know what to do. You guys tell me what to do. I do what you guys tell me to do. I know what to do. I'll do what I tell myself to do. Man, walk away. It's chopping out. Two guys telling me what to do, man. You guys are expert traders here. Up $550 on the day. You know, it's still a decent day. I'll take that any other day still. So, let me see. On the week, I am up 2K. I'm happy with that. So, guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. There's no need for me to overstay my welcome. This is another mistake a lot of beginner traders make. They overstay the welcome. They right now, instead of calling it here at 550 bucks, now they're gonna be in. They're gonna sit here and go, dude, I need to go back to $900 where I was at, or $800 where I was at. So I need to go back and make $300, $250 back because I was at 800 earlier. And then they're gonna lose it, and then they're gonna go back down, and they're gonna be like, well, I was at 500 just now, so I need to get back to 500. So let me try that. And then again, they lose more and they lose more. But me, I know what to do. I know I gotta call it, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it, turn this off, and come back tomorrow or Friday for the last day of the week. Green day today, green day yesterday. Dude, my last 30 days on my. Hold on, let me show you guys this. This is incredible. I've never had 30 days look like this. This is my last. This is my last 30 days P&L. This right here is the only red day. Shoo-wee. That's how much I'm up on the last 30 days. 1.1, 1.5, 2 million. 2 million in the last 30 days. Bro, no cap, you're an underrated trader. Look forward to trading under you. Awesome, man. Let me know. Vote to Riff Films. W in chat. Awesome, man. How much did you end up today? Good day if you ended green, man. Anyways, I'm gonna call it today, guys. You guys have a good rest of your day. For everybody that was new here, I know I got a couple more viewers on TikTok. Some of you guys might have been new. Same thing with YouTube. I do this every single day. You wish 2 million. What do you think about trading on the 2 minute charm? I've never traded on anything other than the 1 minute. I look at the 5 minute, but entries 1 minute is the best way you can get to your entries. Thanks again, brother. Much appreciated. Is your course on your Twitter as well? I don't have. There might be a link on my Twitter. Let me check. How did you find my Twitter if you're on TikTok right now? No, on my Twitter there's a link for my Discord. But since you're on TikTok right now, if you go over to my TikTok bio, just click the link there, and there should be a course link there. Also a Discord link, so join the Discord as well. Um, you trade ES futures through Apex Trading Funding. Little different, but we're all in the same boat. Oh, nice, nice. So you guys can do that. The discount for the course is 150 off, and you get $150 off. No spaces, so 150 OFF, and you get that. Um, other than that, you know, looking pretty decent right now. Called it, gave a lot of money back today, but I was also down a lot, so I'm not upset with it. But so far this year, it's about 2K 3 weeks, 3K another week, and then 4.7 one other week. So decent profit so far. So I'm happy with this. All right, you guys have a good one. You guys have a good rest of your day, and you guys stay green. If you're red, decrease as much as possible. Any questions, you guys know where to find me. My Discord completely free. I don't charge for anything but the course. Even this trading is free every single day. Pretty soon you'll be trading from Cancun, man. I'm gonna be like Ross trading on a laptop. Trade station. This is my travel station. Trading from inside my car. Where's that one? the island he went to, and he streamed there for like a week, and he was like trading from something island, something island, something island. Oh, it's so funny. Anyways, you guys have a good one. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Peace out.